So we are just getting ready to convert this closet into a little nursery reading area with books. Haven't got too far in the project, but we're starting to kind of get these shelves up, and these are perfect for a reading area for a nursery. The brand did send these to me. Just to give you a close-up, they're this white kind of matte powder coated, super high quality, and they've got this really nice decorative kind of ledge on them, a little lip right there. Kind of reminds me of like clouds, and this is going to be absolutely perfect. And you can put these anywhere you want. You get a 4-pack, right? So you can go, we'll probably put one there and maybe like one more there, maybe one down there. After we get these clothes out of the way, we'll probably go side by side, but they're really easy to install. They give you the screws and the little wall anchors, and you just line it up, level it up, and just screw it in. It's a quick and easy way to create shelving space for, we're going to keep these up and out of reach of the little one, because I don't think that they would really hold up well if they were yanked on really hard. Really, no shelves will. So because these are the screw-in type, we're going to keep these up and out of the way. These are rock solid. Like, I could not bend these at all. It's like a heavy gauge steel, but they look like clouds. So there you have it. That's my quick review. Definitely pick these up. Give yourself some added shelf space in any nursery reading area. And that is my quick review, and thanks for watching.